Now we're at another castle, as you can see.
What's the name of it?
Can I get a picture of you and Everett right here?
Burg Hornberg. And if you come over here, look how deep down this is.
Whoa.
It's about 1,000 rocks. Look, it's very far down. It's maybe about 1,000 feet if you look over that.
It's pretty far down, but look at this cool castle, huh? Isn't that neat? Looks like they're doing some work on it, doesn't it?
Well, we're gonna go in and we're gonna see what we can learn about it.
Okay, say bye.
Let's go. We'll see you in the castle.
Hey, what do we got here, guys?
So,
Stop it.
knights from a long time ago. Knights from a long time ago. We have weapons in long guns and armor and cool stuff in here. We are in a mini museum.
Mini museum. Let's see what we got. We got some swords.
We got swords and we got guns.
And knives and guns.
Crossbows.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, there's a crossbow. Look at that. Helmets.
And
What else we got? We got some pictures.
we got rifles.
Oh, look at that suit of armor.
Come behind you.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Ew.
Some halberds.
We got some.
We
got
And some ceremonial swords.
Yeah, look at all this.
Pretty neat, huh? Alright, let's head up to the castle. Let's go.
We are entering the castle.
I heard this castle's haunted.
This castle is haunted, very good. So we better watch out for this castle. Guys, let us know. Being constructed.
Still
Let
being
us
worked
know
on,
if
yeah.
you see something
Okay.
in here haunted. Let us know. Just go up. Just clap.
Okay. Clap.
Just clap if you see something haunted. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go. See you at the haunted castle. Bye.
What, buddy?
I thought Bennett
We're going on the castle. Now listen, guys, be careful, okay?
but they did all right. I'll hold your hand. Well, we didn't bring the stroller.
Wait.
Everybody, look up. Do you have to go potty?
We're going up the tower. We're going up the.
It says,
Let's go to the castle, everybody.
Drittes Zwinger Tor.
Oh, the entrance is right here, everybody.
Because I'm
The
not.
entrance is right here. Let's go in.
I'm not carrying. No.
Oh,
Ask Daddy. What Mama's that doing?
Mama's down here.
He just pulled up. Did you hear him?
My mom is going in.
Whoa, okay, wait.
She'll be fine.
Holy mackerel! Going down. Daddy, don't touch it. Guys, we're going down. No. Hello? 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 Whoa, I can see them. Hello? Hello? Daddy, get down. No, come on, everybody, look at this. Hey, Daddy. Dad, show the people this.
I did.
Hello?
Calm down.
I see other people.
Everett, back there.
Can I touch? Don't let me have a tour.
Island, come on.
Guys, red's not a good sign. What?
Let's go up here and look. What
When you find red,
Did it,
it's
please.
not a good sign.
do we got?
Let me show you your.
Whoa, look, you know what this is? I think that's a bathroom. Yeah, I think that's where you went to the bathroom. What do you think? All right, come on, let's go. Tunnels first, over there.
No, which one? Which one?
Let's take a look.
The ones that are haunted.
Go in here.
Ooh.
Oh! I don't want to go in. Hey, it's
What about this tunnel?
oh, maybe.
Hey, what's in that window?
Who's in the window?
What's in there? Is that the dungeon?
Maybe. Let me see. Never know. Read the glass. It's just rocks.
Watch.
It's rocks.
What's in there?
Ghosts? I don't see. What's in there, people? Can you see? What do you see? I don't.
Whoa. Wanna get up?
Look at those holes. See, diamond.
Yeah. We're up here, huh?
How do we put down? See water? This is too way down.
Whoa. Careful, careful. This way, buddy. Which way did they go?
This one. Upstairs.
Let Ireland ever do it, and you do it, and we'll get one, okay? Come here, let's go in here.
Get on each side.
Everett.
Get on the cannon. All right, I need 3 more children. Get on the cannon.
1, 2, Ainsley, come on.
Ainsley, get on there. Ainsley in the front.
I'm going on. Wait, Truman, you have to get in the back. Everything
No, it's fine.
Skeletons. Real skeletons in there.
Ooh, skeletons?
Look at them.
Oh, no.
Oh, what happened to these people? Oh, in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What's in here, people? Guys, climbing is my favorite. What's in there, Bennett? Bennett, what's in there?
Watch out, that'll get sucked up. Someone will grab down and snatch your butt up.
Go up
Nobody's
there.
in there.
Look at, you know what that is, Truman? Look above you. You know what that is?
What?
That's a murder hole.
Oh. Get down, everybody. Get down.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely a murder hole.
Boom, 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 boom.
And then Truman. Then Iron.
What?
Nothing.
I go
One
after.
at a time.
I go first.
Bennett, Truman. Truman, stop.
Wow. Look at this big door.
I know.
Ireland,
What?
get in the fireplace. Everett, get in the fireplace.
Oh my goodness.
Want to see how you are? Want to see it?
Everett, get in the fireplace.
It's working. What's in here?
Get in the fireplace. Go.
Oh my god.
I didn't let go. I didn't let go. Bennett, get up here. Bennett, right here.
Wait.
Hey, stop. Guys, in the wall, please.
Take it right that way.
Come on.
Come on, everybody. Let's go, people. Guys,
Wait.
there's more ways.
Wait, let's go.
Let's go, people. Open it. Don't, Sherman. Let's keep going. You can open it.
Oh, it's set. That's it.
That's it. Wait, no, we can open it.
Back
No,
down.
we don't, Sherman. Let's go, people.
Back down the spiral staircase.
Sherman, don't push. You can open it. Yes, you are. You can open it. You can open the door. Doesn't mean we can. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Sherman, please.
Just because we can doesn't mean we should.
Hey, that's what I say.
That's from Jurassic Park.
Hi, people. So we went to discover this. Now let's go discover more. See, let's
go that way.
Let's go see where that guy is like. Bricks everywhere. Holy macaroni. Holy macaroni.
Oh, you know what this is?
Yeah.
Don't touch. You know what this is? This is the chapel. This is the chapel. You know what's in here? This guy. Ernst Frere von Gerbenhagen. I bet you he used to own this castle.
Let's see if we can open it up.
No, let's not.
No, it's like a stone.
And there's somebody else in here too. There's somebody in there.
And there's somebody in there.
Yep, there's somebody buried behind here.
And somebody in here.
No, and there's somebody buried back here.
See who that
And in those two spots.
is? Is somebody buried right here?
Oh, maybe.
Bennett, we know, Bennett.
Cool, look at this.
Oh, come on. Should we go good?
Tower.
Let's go up to
Oh
the
my
top.
gosh, I love this. Talk about secret garden.
Wow.
Yeah.
Bennett. Whoa.
Everett, right behind you.
Okay, we all need to hold hands. Truman, you hold Everett's.
No, I want to hold it.
Iron, hold Bennett's.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh, they're broken.
Ooh.
I see a boat. Wow.
You know what that is?
What?
That's the toilet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The toilet. Who wants to go to the bathroom first? Toilet.
Everybody go potty?
Guys, I see a boat. And there's a cockroach.
Cockroach is a spider.
No, it isn't.
Well, it wasn't a cockroach, buddy.
Hey, you know what this is?
What?
That's an arrow slit. It's for shooting arrows.
Guys, I see a boat.
Iron, that's not Scream.
I know. I'm gonna go.
What do you think's down there?
I don't know.
It says, it looks like this says dungeon hole for Dragon von Berlichingen
What?
of the garden. Dragon Garden.
We can go down now. Hey, I go. You know I'm not.
You go, girl. Careful. Nothing, I was just giving the kids a hard time. Ooh, looks like it just ends, huh?
Hold your brother's hand. Let Everett go in front of you, Iron. Oh, gosh.
Toodaloo. You okay? You're okay.
So why did you say
Arguing.
we can go down there?
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa.
Yep.
These lights, they typically light up all castles at night.
Yep. Oh, careful.
Area, everybody. I know it. This is what we saw. This is the tree that we saw. This is the area. Oh. Let's come on, everybody. Let's go see what this is.
No, this is the road that we walked up.
Go see Daddy. I don't know what you want.
Let's go this way, everybody. Let's go see.
Ready?
I'm going after Everett.
Ready? Yeah.
Hang on.
Ready? Go ahead.
Hold on.
Go.
Can you and me go over there?
Yes.
Of Ireland breaking into the castle.
Ready?
Yeah. Oof.
Breaking into the castle.
All right,
Okay.
Truman, break into the castle.
You want to go that way?
Yeah, we're going.